If you've spent any time around fitness or wellness content, you've seen people argue about creatine endlessly. Is it safe? Is it just for gym bros? Does it wreck your kidneys? So today I want to give you the clear, honest, science-based answer because creatine is genuinely fascinating. It's one of the most studied supplements in existence, and it's all about something we care a lot about on this channel, cellular energy. And spoiler, it's not just for bodybuilders. Let me start with what creatine actually does, because once you understand the mechanism, everything else makes sense. Your cells run on an energy molecule called ATP. Think of ATP as a rechargeable battery. When a cell does work, it spends ATP draining the battery, and then it has to recharge it. Now, for slow, steady energy needs, your mitochondria handle the recharging. But when you need a sudden, intense burst of power, your body needs to recharge those batteries almost instantly. That's creatine's job. Here's how. Your cells store creatine in a charged-up form called phosphocreatine. The moment you need fast energy, phosphocreatine donates its charge to instantly regenerate ATP. It's like having a fast-charging power bank sitting right next to your battery, topping it back up in a split second. This is why creatine matters most for quick, high-effort activities, lifting a heavy weight, sprinting, jumping, or any short burst of intensity. About 95% of your creatine is stored in your muscles, which is why the muscle benefits are the most obvious. But smaller amounts sit in your brain and heart, tissues that also have high rapid energy demands. Now let me tell you why I'm genuinely enthusiastic about this one, which if you watch this channel, you know it's not something I say lightly. When it comes to building strength, increasing power, and preserving muscle mass, creatine is one of the most proven supplements that exists. We're talking about more than 30 years of research consistently showing it works. And this is not just for young athletes. For older adults, creatine combined with strength training has been shown to help preserve muscle and strength, which ties directly into what we discussed about age-related muscle loss. If you are trying to stay strong as you age, this is one of the few supplements with genuinely solid backing. Beyond muscle, there's a growing and exciting area of research into creatine and the brain. Because your neurons are energy-hungry too, some studies suggest creatine may support memory and mental performance. But I want to be honest about the nuance here. Those brain benefits appear to be clearest in specific situations, such as when you are sleep-deprived, under stress, older, or if you eat little or no meat and therefore start with lower creatine levels. In well-rested, well-fed healthy people, the cognitive effects are less certain. So it's promising, but it's not a guaranteed brain booster for everyone. Now let me tackle the myth you have definitely heard, that creatine damages your kidneys. For healthy people, this is simply not supported by the evidence. Decades of studies, including long-term ones, show that creatine doesn't harm kidney function in people with healthy kidneys. The myth comes from a mix-up. Creatine breaks down into a waste product called creatinine, and creatinine is what doctors measure to check kidney function. Taking creatine can nudge that marker up slightly without any actual kidney damage. And to be clear, creatine isn't a steroid. It's a natural compound your own body produces every day, and that you also get from foods like meat and fish. That said, honesty means noting the real cautions. If you have existing kidney disease, or you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or you have bipolar disorder, you should talk to your doctor before taking creatine because the picture is less clear for those groups. For most healthy adults, though, the approach is refreshingly simple. 3 to 5 grams a day of plain creatine monohydrate. You don't need fancy formulations, expensive versions, or complicated loading phases. Monohydrate is the most studied, most affordable form, and it works. So finally, where does a supplement like Mitochondrial fit alongside creatine? They actually target different parts of the same energy system, and I want to be completely straight, creatine isn't an ingredient in Mitochondrial. Here's the distinction. Creatine works as a rapid recycler of ATP, topping up your energy currency for those quick, intense bursts. Mitochondrial works further upstream, on the production side. Its CoQ10 helps your mitochondria generate ATP in the first place, in the electron transport chain, and its PQQ supports building new mitochondria. So one is about instantly recharging the battery, and the other is about supporting the factories that manufacture the energy. Different jobs, same overall goal of healthy cellular energy. And as always, both sit alongside the real foundations: movement, protein, and sleep. Fuel the bursts, support the factories, and go lift something heavy. Check the link in the description below to learn more about supporting your cellular energy with Mitochondrial. And if you appreciate getting the honest, science-first version of these topics, hit subscribe. Every week we break down the real cellular science of healthy energy in plain language you can use. We post every morning. I want to be fully transparent with you. The link in the description below is an affiliate link. I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely think is helpful. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle.